Chapter 8 of Animal Farm continues to showcase the declining state of the farm under the rule of the pigs. Despite the arduous work the animals are doing on the windmill, there is less food available to them. Squealer, acting as Napoleon's propaganda minister, however, produces figures ostensibly showing that food production has significantly increased under their regime. Meanwhile, Napoleon becomes increasingly aloof, rarely appearing in public. His increasingly dictatorial rule is further highlighted by the continuing executions of animals he deems disloyal. Simultaneously, Napoleon negotiates a deal with a neighboring human farmer, Mr. Frederick, to sell him a pile of timber. The farm animals are initially fearful of Frederick due to circulating rumors that he violently abuses his own animals. However, Napoleon goes ahead with the deal and insists on getting paid in cash. When they do get paid, it turns out that Frederick has duped them with counterfeit money. A furious Napoleon pronounces a death sentence on Frederick. In retaliation, Frederick and his men invade Animal Farm, causing great destruction, including blowing up the newly built windmill. Despite being initially overpowered, the animals manage to drive the human invaders away. The event is later described as the Battle of the Windmill. After the battle, the pigs find a case of whiskey in Jones's old cellar. Overindulgence leads Napoleon to become ill, causing him to initially outlaw the consumption of alcohol. However, just after recovering a few days later, Napoleon changes his decree and orders barley to be planted for alcohol production instead. Finally, the chapter closes on another instance of the pig's manipulation of Animal Farm's guiding principle. Muriel, the goat, reads the 7 commandments and notices that the 5th commandment has been altered to allow alcohol consumption, now reading, "No animal shall drink alcohol to excess." This change, unbeknownst to the other animals, is yet another way the pigs continue to alter the rules to suit their whims and desires.